Okay, Kimbweta.com provides another lecture from business law. It's concerned about the legal status of the contract. Kama tunavyofahamu contract ilivyo, tunaweza tukawa na aina tatu ya contract. Contracts can either be a void contract. A contract can be either a voidable contract or a contract can be either a valid contract. For the valid contract discussed the first lecture, na tukaona kwamba in section 10 tunaweza explain some key elements of a valid contract, but this lecture provide briefly information about a void contract and a voidable contract. So what is a void contract? Can simply be defined to mean that a contract which has no legal force from the moment of its making. In the Law of Contract Act, there are a lot of examples that explain that a certain types of law is not a valid contract, that is legal, a void contract. Simply mean that mkataba wote ambao utakuwa una legal force from the moment of its making, huo mkataba tuta remain kama a void contract. So the contract is